I was looking on YouTube for a video of how to crumble goat cheese and didn't find one. So I'm making my own. What you do is you buy a log of goat cheese and cut it in half. And this one's already been opened, so it's a little dry already. That's why you see crumbles here. But cut it in half along the middle and then open it up. This is just half of a log that's cut in half. And then put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and I put this in the freezer just to dry it out. And then you just take a fork and just break it up. That's it. This log of goat cheese cost about $1.50 or so, I think, and if you buy the crumbles, it costs about $3.50, and it's half as much. So it's definitely a lot more economical to buy it this way and just do this one extra little step. There you go. I'll put it on your salad or whatever you're doing with it, and put the rest in a container in the fridge with a lid on it, and you're good to go.